Introducing the Redroo Versatile Wireless Controller. Today we are doing a quick tour around Australia. Firstly to Mike Polly in Adelaide, South Australia.
How you going? I'm Mike Polly from Mike Polly Stumpgrinding in Adelaide, up in the Adelaide Hills. I bought this Redroo 4012 from James from Redroo. I was unsure about whether I needed a wireless controller. Once I've tried it out, I wouldn't go back. It's the best thing you can ever get. You can get to stand out of the dust. You walk around the close and have a better view of what you're doing. You can see what you're actually grinding in case you come up against things. It was a big decision to spend the extra money on it, but well worth the money, and yeah, I wouldn't look back.
Now on to Red Hill, Australia, where we are grinding away 3 large hardwood stumps. Peter Mallisons from Stumpman's Stump Removal has been operating an SMB 2750 for over 14 years. The wireless controller keeps Peter away from dust, dirt and debris and allows him to spot hazards in the stump such as pipes, rocks and steel stakes. In case of emergency, Peter can stop the grinding disc within 2 seconds. Now over to Southwest Rocks, New South Wales to remove 2 hardwood blackbutt stumps. Langham's Tree Service had never previously operated a stump grinder with a wireless controller. Within minutes they had mastered the controller, and after operating the SP7015 for over a year would never consider operating a stump grinder without a wireless device. Our location is now Melbourne, Australia, where we see the Redroo SP7015 removing 13 hardwood stumps without using an excavator. This job could only be done at night. All safety guidelines were strictly adhered to, and the veteran arborist using the controller had never previously used a wireless controlled stump grinder. Over to Cowra, New South Wales with Lachlan Valley Tree Services, where Maurice and Cindy Nicholson have been providing services to the arbour industry for 12 years. Here we see the Redroo SP8018 stump grinder in action. We are now in Moorabbin, Victoria, where the job is to remove 12 large diameter stumps in multiple locations. Tony Vaughan is shown using the SP7015 wireless controller stump grinder for the first time.